Are you looking for the perfect scent? Welcome to the solution for frags. We have the answers.
Yeah, they call him the fragrance, got no fraud, get applause, laying down the law, see the all when he talks. Let's go! Got that nose for the notes, yeah, you know that he wrote the quotes on the
YouTube. Welcome back. I'm Solution for the Solution for Frags, back with another video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, tap that notification button, hit that share button, hit the subscribe button. All right, hit the subscribe before you drive, before you ride, and we gonna slide. Dad bars. But we're back with another one of these things. All right, make sure you share the video, tell a friend to come back again. So let's get into it. That's the roll up right there. There's something a little different today. I like to give you all a different experience. So today it is all about the experience. It is about originality. It's about creativity. It is about exploring. It's about curiosity. It's about having fun. And you can have fun with fragrances because there's a brand that lets you do it. Have you ever wanted to just make your own signature scent and not pay someone to do it for you? Or you say, you know something, I just want to be able to add stuff on my own and spray it when I want to and refill it when I want to and do it for a good price. All right. But I don't want to sell anything like that. I just want something personal that's unique to me and nobody will smell like me. So enter Aromaverse. Aromaverse, as you see right there, it's got the nice fingerprint right there, which means it's your own signature. So we know no fingerprints are alike. Everybody's fingerprints are an exact reflection of that person. It is singular. Only you will have that fingerprint. And they said, hey, you could come up with your own fragrances, and they have categories. So one night, like I tend to do from time to time, I'm in the bed when I should be asleep. I'm scrolling and I tend to shop like this sometimes. It's a terrible vice. However, great things have come out of it. I got some really cool things in the home for us, you know, for Sugar and my daughter and everything. We got some cool things because Dad was up late at night, couldn't sleep and should have been asleep, and he was buying things. So this is one of those things I stumbled across via the talk. I said, this looks interesting. You can make your own fragrance? Wow. And I've seen other companies do this, but the price point was kind of like, I don't know. But I want to be able to do multiple type of fragrances on my own. And Aromaverse allows you to do that. They have a unisex line, which is what I bought because I wanted Sugar and, you know, the three of us to do this at some point together. Sugar hasn't gotten around to this. I don't think it's her thing, really. You know, y'all, you watch the channel enough to know how wifey is. All right, she's her own person when it comes to stuff like this. But I think I'm going to convince her. But the daughter and I have done this, and you're going to see that we've actually done this a little later on in the video. And she'll probably come back and join us because this is a unisex version of what they offer at Aromaverse. So it's got a little bit of everything. Now, their biggest seller is their gourmand lines. They have something that's male leaning, something that's female leaning, that's floral, that's kind of a midnight, they say urban based one. They have about 6 offerings. I'm going off the top of my head, you all, just to be authentic and not be so scripted with this, because I really want you to understand the personalization process of it versus I just want to do this. So first things first, this came in 3 days. I was shocked. I was expecting a week. This showed up at the door 3 days later. It was packed amazingly well. The box was actually made for that box. It fit in there. I got the empty box over here right now. Like literally, I had to shake it to get it out, you know, to get it out of there. So I opened it up. And it came with a lot of instructions and a lot of different tools and things like that. Well, you know, it gave you the whole roll up. It says Aromaverse, your perfumery kit like a pro. Get started. You know, it tells you about replace the caps of the droppers and all that stuff. You know, make sure you're in a well ventilated area so that way you can really smell the different scents properly. And they tell you don't smell the scents directly from the bottle. You know how that works. There's a reason for that. Okay, take a break from, you know, when you're mixing up stuff. Don't just start mixing things back to back because you'll go nose blind. We know that. Then it says take notes, jot down what you made. And literally I did that. And they give you ideas. This is an awesome gift idea, everyone. Incredible gift idea. You could do like parties and stuff. Like say it's someone's birthday, you could buy a few of these and put them on the table and let the, you know, the party goers mix up their own stuff and take it home with them and everything. So it's pretty dope stuff. You could do like a class on how to mix fragrances and all that stuff, which I might do because I thought that was pretty cool. They said it's a good gift for someone that's really into fragrances and a party favor as well. You know, so it's cool. Great. If you know somebody's really into fragrances, this would be an awesome birthday gift or holiday gift. And they give you the scent strips, you know, just like we have here, and some labels. Notice there's some labels missing because the daughter and I have used them already. We made 2 each of our own. And you got your droppers for mixing things. This is not the one. This came with it. This is an extra one that I had from my atomizer sets. All right, and they give you, you know, extra stuff in there, all those good things. So yes, amazing brand. Now, before you start asking questions about performance, watch the entire video, people. So they even give you ideas to create different fragrances, you know, along with the instructions. All right, and like I said, the version that we have is called Dill, all right, which you know is 2, okay? And they give you some ideas to create some fragrances that they came up with. But most importantly, forget all that. Do it yourself. So did I make some myself? And I have them right here, but we're going to talk about that later because I know you want to know exactly what does this look like when you get it. So you get 2 bottles of perfume solvent all ready to go for you. And trust me, you probably want to buy some more of that on your own. All right. So as you can see, we got busy. All right. And it's about half gone in there. Because like I said, we made some. And you get 6 decants. All right. There's 4 because I told you my daughter, she made 2 on her own as well. But I wanted to be different. As you can see, I have a decant that's not part of that, but there's a label on there. Now, let's talk about the fragrances that you have on here. Like I said, there's a little bit of everything, and there's a lot. There's a lot. I'm going to put that on the screen because there's a lot to read off. And some of the more popular ones, they give you 2 because they know you're probably going to use those a little more because those are more popular notes. And this was packed extremely well. When I opened it, I actually had the box upside down. So these scent bottles actually tipped over, but nothing was wrong. Nothing was wrong. They packed this extremely well. So what did I come up with? So I have my wonderful notes right here that I created my concoction with. And I actually said I have a house. I have a perfume house, and is the house of the solution. But I use my first name, and I'm going to tell you my first name. If you know me personally, you know my first name. So it actually sounds like a fragrance house because I have a very unique name that comes from a city from somewhere. I'll leave it at that. So I came up with Timber Passion. My daughter got a kick out of that. So Timber Passion has muguet, all right, precious wood, woody, aromatic noir, and pepper. All right, so I was going for a dark woody effect for this particular fragrance. And it does smell really well. But the thing is that it changed. Like the maceration was like expedited or something from the first time I wore it. And it does smell a little different on skin. But it gives off a fresh, very, very fresh aromatic experience first off. Then you start smelling the amber noir, the aromatic noir, and the pepper starting to lead. But it somehow came up with like this kind of cedar floral thing that happens. But it's very, very masculine because I think I'm saying it right. The music kind of gives it a sweetness to it as well. But this is a insanely unique scent. Look, I've been wearing this. Y'all see that? I've been wearing that. Well, I like it. It's very unique. I actually had a lady ask me in the grocery store what I was wearing. So let's talk about longevity. Now, you can fix the longevity, okay? Because of the solvent. You basically add less solvent and you add more scent oils to it. That's just how it works. Now we know 20 to 40%. So when I mix this, believe it or not, see where the liquid line is? Okay, the meniscus, if you will, right there. That's how much solvent is in there. So I use like a 70-30-ish ratio. All right, maybe 60-40. All right. With the majority being solvent and the rest being the scent oils. Okay, wherever how many drops you want to put in there for what to stand out and what not to stand out. So if you want something to really lead, you just add a few more drops than the others. Then so you take it down in the pyramid, well, an inverted pyramid effect, if you will. All right, so that's how you get your scent experience. Now, the next one I came up with was I wanted it to be fresh and citrus base and kind of marine and give it an island vibe, like you're on a vacation. So Dominica Divine is what I came up with it. And if you know geography in the Caribbean, Dominica is an island, a small island nation in the Caribbean. I think nation, I don't want to say it's a nation. I believe they belong to the UK still, if I'm not mistaken. So in this, I put red berry, okay. Aqua Fresh was the name of the note. Guava, lavender, bergamot, and grapefruit. Well, excuse me, lemon, because I scratched that. I took out it was lemon. So this is very in fresh. Yeah, definitely. This is very fruity, but not leaning the feminine way because I have all that freshness and citrus stuff going on here. But you smell it. You smell it. It's quite a bit of the red berry at the top. So this is a unisex pure, where this one, I think women may not like this one. This is kind of spicy and masculine leading. With this one right here, I think a lady would take this off me if she's into this type of fragrance. And it is. Instantly, that aromatic freshness of it, and the bergamot, the Aqua Fresh, and the grapefruit is at the bottom, giving it this sharpness to it. And there's nothing synthetic smelling about these at all. It's very, very good. It's like a nice, sharp fruit salad, but makes you want to walk along the beach and, after you're done, get a nice, refreshing, citrus-based drink with some fresh cut fruit. Because that guava is giving it that appeal. It's not heavy guava, but it's there. And I did that intentionally. So longevity. I got about 4 hours out of this. And I said that was to be expected. I had no problems with that. I was like, well, for under $100, I think this was $92 shipped to me with the coupons I had and everything. And I'm happy with it because I know how to amp this up and get it to last a little longer as well via this. But this was just a test run, a trial and everything. But I love it. Aromaverse, shout out to you all. Everyone, I'm not being paid by Aromaverse, by the way. This is just an honest honest review of the brand and what they offer, do check out their website and get some curiosity. This could be fun. This could be a date night for someone that you know that person likes a good fragrance. And I would like to say go with the dough so you both can do it together because it's safer. And once you learn that person, hey, get them one of their own. And you have nothing to do, like, oh man, I'm just gonna make me some fragrances. If you run out of these, just go on Amazon and get yourself a few more decants. All right, you run out of some solvent, go on Amazon, buy a little solvent bottle, okay? Now, someone asked me, can you make these into oils? The problem I would see is binding them, spinning them down to get the, the fragrance to really connect with it. But because these are kind of heavy oil, it may not be a challenge, but you want to get some perfume oil and do that versus the solvent, which has some oil, you know how solvents work. But the binding process make them last a little longer. You could add it to a body butter, a light fragrance body butter, or even a Vaseline if you want that nice longevity and maybe a little sillage going on for you as well. But I'm a Solution. Thank you for all you do. Make sure you come back to the channel. Road to 500. We're almost there. Let's hit that finish line. I see it out there in the very, very close distance. And shout out to everyone who's joined the channel. In the last few months, I saw the numbers just shoot up. We got some videos that are doing extremely well on the channel. Thank you for that. Thank you for the interaction. I enjoy answering your questions. I enjoy your comments. Those are always in good taste. 99% of you are in good taste. Here and there, I get a few, whatever you are is out there that like to drop stuff. And I handle you accordingly. Like I said, there will be follow-up videos, and trust me, there'll be another set. Right now, the gourmand version is sold out. Last time I checked, and I got a little reminder thing on there to tell me it's back in stock. But I like to say that's probably selling out because just a rational thought is saying there's probably women throwing parties and doing this, and that's a great idea. That's dope. All right. Not saying fellas couldn't do it either. All right. Like we always do about this time, let's go with the Dominica Divine. And we're out.
On the realest of the blends, got no time for making friends. He a legend in the game. They all whispering his name, dropping straight fire. Take your whole collection higher. Fire! If he says it's a cop, then you know it's gonna pop. Yeah, you know it's